Hello, this is Maria Talara. This video is for my microbiology experiment, biochemical testing for microbial identification using methyl red voice presquier. I'm not sure I'm pronouncing that right, and catalase testing. In this experiment, we will discuss the purpose of biochemical testing. We will describe the function of the methyl red voice presquier and catalase test. We will perform 3 biochemical tests using E. coli and the Staphylococcus epidermidis culture that we cultured experiments before. So in this experiment, we learned that biochemical testing are designed to identify various metabolic properties of different bacteria. It is the least expensive way to identify unknown microbes. The methyl red and voice presquier tests are typically performed together to differentiate bacteria within the family of Enterobacteriaceae. Enterobacteriaceae is a large family of gram-negative bacteria that includes E. coli. In this experiment, mixed acid fermentation is the biological process by which 6-carbon sugar, example the glucose, is converted into the complex and variable mixture of acids. It is an anaerobic fermentation reaction that is common in bacteria. Cultures demonstrating mixed acid fermentation turn red when methyl red is added to the broth because the mixed acid fermentation creates acidic byproducts that do not neutralize in the buffered solution. Cultures that do not undergo mixed acid fermentation turn yellow when methyl red is added, indicating a negative test result. The broth that we use for this experiment is a special one for this testing. It is MVRP, I believe, and it has glucose in it, peptone, and buffers. The other biochemical testing that we will be doing is called catalase testing. Catalase is an enzyme. Catalase mediates the breakdown of hydrogen peroxide into oxygen and water. When hydrogen peroxide is added to the colony of the catalase-positive microbes, the oxygen bubbles rapidly, and that is a positive result. A lack of bubble indicates catalase-negative microorganisms, which are usually anaerobic microbes. For catalase, we see aerobic microbes. Most strains of epidermidis, Staphylococcus epidermidis make acetone, phosphatase, and reduced nitrate. With oxygen, all strains can produce acid when exposed to glucose, fructose, maltose, sucrose, and glycerol, mannose, and lactose. And I will show you the experiment in the next video.